basically to give you the heads up. There is going to be a massive update on the Mark II. So it's going to either be Saturday evening or Sunday, depending, I don't know. Saturday is when it's happening. Sunday it might be when I'm going to upload it. It depends. But it is a massive update. And Ant Fabrications, just a bit of teasing there. That's for you. So yeah, big update on the Mark II. Can't wait to share with you. It's going to be amazing. Not what you're expecting, and it's a bit of blue as well for the guys. So be ready. You'll enjoy it. So that's what I wanted to tell you. So Saturday night, tune in. If not Saturday night, Sunday morning. That's the first thing. Second thing is, my views have gone through the roof on YouTube, which I am, don't get me wrong, I am absolutely thrilled about. However, subscribers are as, it doesn't add up. So please subscribe. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, I was guilty of this myself when I used to go on YouTube. I just used to watch the videos and I didn't subscribe. Now I'm on the receiving end. So subscribe, guys. Let's do this together. Let's have this journey together. It'll be fun. There's loads more to come. This is still the beginning for me. I'm still finding my feet with all this, and I've got a lot more to offer in the future. So the Lucas Oil sponsorship, that is all going ahead. My product should arrive by the end of next week. So the video is going to be starting for Lucas probably from the week after that. There's a lot to get in place, ready for the videos to start there. A few other surprises along the way, which I can't say too much about yet, obviously, because it wouldn't be a surprise, would it? So there's that. There is lots more to come. I can't say too much just at the minute, but tune in, please. Let's enjoy it together. Let's have a laugh. Life's too short. So enjoy my videos, subscribe, and thanks, guys. Thanks for all your support on Twitter as well. I've met some great people on there who are now quite good friends as well. You're all amazing people. But yeah, Pob, this is for you as well, because you've been quite inspirational in this update. But Ant Fabrication, you're gonna love it big time. So sorry about the teasing again. So tune in, please. Have a great evening. It's nearly weekend. It's not that far away, but even so, have a great weekend. You probably won't hear from me tomorrow. It will be Saturday, if not Sunday, but you'll enjoy it, I'm sure. Okay, guys, see you soon.